Hi everybody, and welcome to Vincent's Vacuums. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean and restore your Bissell Powerforce Helix, model 1700, 2191, or 3313. They're all basically the same model, so if you want to get started, let's get started. So first thing I want to do is turn this around, and I don't really like this, so let's pull this out, pull that out. Oh, and here's a cloggage in a way, and some dirt here. We'll come back to that in a minute. This almost feels like it's the wrong hose. Alright, and then this belongs right here. Sits right in here, and that's inside. So next thing we want to do is remove the canister, and what we want to do is pull up on this, and that reveals a very messy filter. So we have a replacement filter. Alright, let's remove this filter. Looks like this has never been cleaned once in its life. And let's just place that over there. Let's take our brand new filter, insert it, and we got a little bit of debris here, so let's get rid of that. Now that our debris is gone, we should have a clean vacuum. So I think the reason people got rid of this vacuum is because the filter was so clogged it couldn't pass air through the vacuum cleaner. So that means that you lose suction during the vacuuming. You can also twist this bin off on the back here, twist it. You can pull off the cyclone. You can wash these parts in here. You twist this comes off. Insert this back in, twist it again, then it comes back in. If you want to empty the bin, you can clean that. You can also just do it this way too. Everything on this bin is washable, including the bin, the cyclone, and the filter part. And including the filter, you can wash the filter too. On the back of the canister, it gives you instructions on how to clean that. There should be a picture somewhere on the screen. To put everything back together, it's fairly simple. Slide your cyclone in, twist it your right direction, then insert the cyclone. Make sure you see the washable filter sign above the Powerforce Helix logo, then turn it around to the back, put the little tab on top of the unlock logo, and slide it onto the lock logo. Now it's not leaving. Reinsert the bin, and now it's clean. When washing all of these objects, make sure to wait 24 hours for it to totally dry out. So the next thing I want to do is check for clogs. So the way I'm going to do that is, first I'm going to check this. It's a little dusty in there, so that might mean there's a clog. It also might mean it's just a little dirty. So I'm going to check the hose. So you're just going to slide this to the left, pull out, yep, and there's some dirt that falls out. Pull this up and around, and pull out here. And just shake it. Once you think that's mostly clean, just wait to put this back on, put this off to the side. Something else I see that I want to clean out is this lower hose right here. There's some dirt that's kind of stuck in here. I think the reason is because this hose attachment was on here, and I think that was blocking it so you didn't get a complete seal. So I think that was the problem there. It's also putting dirt everywhere on the machine, so I kind of want to get this off for a minute. So the next thing I want to check is the post motor filter. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and just unscrew it. So what you want to do now is pull up here and slide. unless you don't have the screws unscrewed all the way. slide. As you can see, we got a little filter here. This filter is a little dirty, so I'm just going to give it a quick clean. That now looks a little better, so let's install it into the vacuum. Just install it right next to that little hose. Take the plate, put it back on. We also have a full video for this on our YouTube channel. This isn't a filter that you need to check often, but I'd recommend checking it every 6 months. Next, let's reinstall the hose. Take the bottom piece and insert it right here. Guide it up top, around the hook, and push it in. Find the special place that it needs to go. I'd recommend sliding this in first and then put this on top, and then your hose is reinstalled. Next, with this vacuum cleaner, I kind of want to open up the bottom to see if there's anything stuck or clogged inside the brush roller or housing. Now that you've flipped over the machine, find the 6 screws along your vacuum. There might be less or more depending on which model you have. Now that you've unscrewed all the screws, pull up here. It might be tough depending on if this is brand new or if it's been opened once or twice. Yep, and we have a clog down here. We have some type of metal piece sticking inside of our machine that is clogging the whole machine up. Looks like some kind of Christmas tree ornament, and it smells absolutely terrible. Let's get that out of there. Next up, our belt is absolutely covered in dirt, fluff. To remove our brush roller. There's what our brush roller looks like, not the best. It's our lucky day. We found a dime here. We'll take it. We found some type of straw inside this machine. What is that, an earring? Found some type of earring here. This is the reason if you buy used vacuum cleaners, always wear gloves. And a ton of rocks. If this piece came off your vacuum, don't panic. It's pretty easy to get back on. Right here. All you do is you take this end, slide it in, pull this up, insert that on the other side, and it falls right into place. Now we're going to install the brush roller again. Alright, now this brush roller looks a lot better. All we did is just take a pair of scissors and cut off the strands of hair. Alright, to reinsert the brush roller, put it on this little piece right here. slide down, put it into place. This one you have to turn a little bit for it to go into place. But after you've done that, you can insert this piece again. It needs to go over the lip in front of this. Then get that inserted. And then find your screws. So you're just going to reinsert the screws. Now you fix the brush roller where it can work now. Put your lower hose back on. Insert your extension wand. Alright, let's give it a quick test. Looks like the vacuum is doing a lot better than it was before. It's sucking up debris a lot better than it was. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.